chance to a ticket to the dance. Don't even worry about the finance. Not long ago you took me to Chinatown. Twin Peaks, the lights lit up, so astounding. I told you in my heart is where you'll always be. Now you must go to junior prom with me. But everybody got the game figured out all wrong. Nobody knows what it's like when you're gone. I guess that's why I'm here and you can come back home. Except for junior prom, cause it's gonna be bomb. Do you think about me now and then? Do you wanna come home on the weekend? How about junior prom?